Hopefully not die. Alright. Killed him. He did get a shot off, so his buddies are probably pissed off. If they're even here. Yep, you sir. You're dead. I have voices. I'm moving away.
Okay.
Frag out. Someone's shooting, I don't know where from. It sounds like it's close to you.
It does, but I don't have eyes.
Alright.
Got him.
Nice. Alright, I'm moving along the perimeter. I see the truck I have to inspect.
Yeah, I've got eyes on it too from the other direction.
One down. Perimeter. I had some, there was like a sniper shot, like a SK1, or SKS. I don't know where he is though.
I'm moving through the warehouse.
Alright. Oh shit, got hit.
I heard the shot.
Yep. He hit my plate.
Touch.
Frag out. That's on the roof. That's not gonna do shit. Oh, maybe it did. It fell off. Alright, I'm moving to the main street, middle.
Right.
I have one more frag.
Same.
Alright. I have eyes on the truck, fuel truck.
Sure.
From my vantage point, I can see the power tower. The shots were coming from the yellow fuel truck to the east, if you can see that. Oh. You good? Alright, I'll move to you. I'll move to a better vantage point.
He's down.
Alright. That is not the single shot, though. Alright. Apparently I can't climb on the roof there, so... I see single shot. He's down. Oh shit, that is not single shot. Check fuel levels. Moving to cover. Reloading. Where are you?
Under the overhang.
Okay. Are you moving?
Yes.
Okay. I was gonna say, I hear footsteps. Just be wary. I don't think I got single shot. And I still don't fully know where he was. It's the middle thing. Did you do it yet?
Yeah, I already did it.
Okay. Alright, I'm moving up to the entrance. I have
Behind you.
I have a feeling voices. What the? Oh, you kicked the door. I was like, what? What the fuck was that? Okay. I think we cleared it.
Oh shit, that was you.
Yeah, that was me.
Thought I heard other voices.
I got 9.
Seven.
So not that many
Got
people.
a SKS.
Oh, there's a equipment thing. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Active headset.
I have a helo.
Not one of ours.
Nope. I'll take 5.45 ammo. Why not? Silencer, cheek riser, a B30. Isn't this? This is a. That's good enough. All right. Where'd you go?
Moving through, just scanning, making sure.
Okay.
So, you know, we don't get any
Surprises.
unfriendly surprises.
We can head to.
I mean, they were using FMJs.
Well, that explains how they can kill us in one shot, but.
And it's a bit fucking meta, if you ask me, but
Yeah.
whatever.